Given that over the last 26 years we've provided service to a lot of our community who are living with chronic disease, we were able to draw from that historic perspective and look at the amount of resources that were allocated to those living with a chronic disease. In our relationship with Intel, in using the Intel Health Guide, what we've been able to do is provide a far more resource-effective service delivery.
The technology provides immediate information, so you're looking at what's happening at the patient at the time of transmission, and you can act on that quickly. Prior to remote patient monitoring in the home, we were visiting the clients in their homes weekly with an RN or fortnightly to do a health check and monitoring their vital signs.
Well, I had to get used to it. I stuck with it and that's how I come to like it. 10 o'clock it comes and it goes through the session. It takes about 15 minutes.
One, it gives them some increased security. They feel that they have that access to the nurse without physically having the nurse visit them in their home. The video conferencing for functionality or capacity gives them that sense of well-being, that if I need to speak to the nurse, I can.
But I definitely feel a long way better with a machine. I feel if you got somebody in the place with you.
We've found that it's reducing carer stress quite significantly.
The main benefit for us, I think, is that it's letting her still live here, and that it's, she's maintaining her independence.
Not only are we receiving data from the patient, but we're then able to converse with the clinician in the hospital or the general medical practitioner and provide him with up-to-date data without the patient having to come into the surgery.
Oh, the dogs love it. When that goes off, don't go berserk and they're around the machine. He wants to get up on my lap while I do the session.
I'm very excited because I think the Intel Health Guide is actually entering into the arena of service delivery, not just documentation or the maintenance of records.
Gee, isn't it good? What they're coming up with next.